Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Doing good? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? நீங்களுக்கு சுகமானோ? Yes, this is Flying Skies One welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. And today's video is an interesting video. Please don't skip the video. Watch it till the end. Yes, as the title of the video suggests, Open Secret. What is Open Secret? Let me unreveal the open secret. Just in a few minutes, I will unbox it. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications. And thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Let me open this. Open Secret. Ordered this on Cred Stores. First, when I was unboxing this video, I was eager to know what's there in that. First, it comes with a thank you card and asking for a review. Have you ever tasted or heard of nutty cashews with a crazy blend of flavors going into with cream and onion? Let me know in the comment section. This is a combo pack which comes with 4 flavors from Open Secret. If you're a junk food lover and wish to have perfect snacking in the evening times, then you can go for this because these are full of nutrients and antioxidants. These roasted nuts have zero refined sugar. And you see here the cashew with onion, masala and cream mixture. You can see in the picture. Orange cocoa nutty almonds. The next flavor is, if you're a chocolate lover, you can taste this because it is a mix of cocoa and orange flavor going into it. These are coated as prebiotics as well as probiotics. The next flavor, tandoori masala nutty mix. Have you ever heard this? It's a mix of cashew and almonds with coat of tandoori masala. The last flavor that is available in this combo pack is caramel sea salt almonds. They are coated with caramel and sea salt to spice it. I wish to speak of 3 points which says Open Secret is healthy because there are no added maida, artificial sugar or preservatives. And trans fat, as I said earlier, these come under the category of prebiotics. Therefore, you can enjoy snacking unlimited because there's no processed sugar. You can use Cred to order. The link is given in the description box, or you can visit the website. Here you see the founder of Open Secret, Ahana Gautam. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this product on board for us. Thank you so much. If you want $250 cashback on your first order, use Cred app. So I have told already, the link is given in the description box. Click on it to log in for the first time, and this Open Secret link also would be given in the description box. You can click on that after you log in with the link that I have given. Then check out the products. As you see in the pictures, these are the products that are available right now in Cred App stores, or else you can order in any online stores. Open Secret stores also is available. You can visit their website and buy the nuts whichever you like. Do you feel that I unboxed Open Secret? Let me know in the comment section. Do say yes or no. Give the answer as yes or no. That's it for today. Happy and crispy nut snacking for the day from the Open Secret. Thanks for coming and watching. Please like and share with your friends and family. And do subscribe, please. Have a good day. Keep smiling.